AI-powered funnels are the secret weapon behind many high-earning affiliate marketers. Instead of relying on random clicks to convert, an AI funnel warms up visitors, educates them, and builds trust before presenting your affiliate offer. This means significantly higher conversions with the same amount of traffic. AI helps personalize the entire journey: landing pages, emails, recommendations, and chatbot interactions, making each user feel like the content was created for them. Once your funnel is set up, it runs automatically, turning passive clicks into consistent commissions. This turns affiliate marketing into a system rather than a guessing game. With AI doing the heavy lifting, even beginners can build funnels that work like those of top marketers. Your funnel begins with a powerful landing page. AI can generate headlines, subheadlines, feature summaries, and value propositions based on your affiliate product. It can also analyze competitor pages and write stronger versions of what's already converting online. Use AI to summarize reviews, extract testimonials, and build comparison charts that highlight why your recommended product is the best choice. Add visuals with AI-generated graphics or Canva mockups. AI can also test variations of CTAs. Get the free trial, start for $0 today, and identify which ones convert best. Your landing page should be mobile first, clean, minimal, and fast. Since most affiliate clicks come from mobile, optimizing load speed and readability drastically improves earnings. With an AI-enhanced landing page, your funnel becomes far more effective from the first touch point. Chatbots are a powerful way to increase affiliate conversions because they provide instant support, something no static landing page can offer. AI chatbots can answer product questions, explain pricing, overcome objections, and provide personalized recommendations. They can compare multiple products, highlight pros and cons, and help visitors choose the best option. This level of assistance dramatically increases trust and reduces bounce rates, especially for higher ticket or complex products. Chatbots can be embedded on your website, funnel pages, Instagram DMs, Facebook Messenger, and even TikTok comments. They work 24/7 and ensure no potential commission slips through the cracks. When paired with your landing page, chatbots become your automated sales assistant, guiding every visitor closer to a purchase. Email automation is where the majority of passive affiliate income is generated. AI can write your entire email funnel, from welcome emails that build trust to educational emails that explain benefits, share comparisons, and deliver value. Instead of pushing the affiliate link immediately, AI helps you design a nurturing sequence that positions you as a trusted advisor. You can also set behavioral triggers. If someone clicks your link but doesn't buy, they receive follow-up emails tailored to their interests. AI can write 5 to 30 emails in your tone and structure them perfectly for conversions. Weekly value emails keep your list warm and engaged, so future affiliate promotions convert even better. Tools like ConvertKit, Beehive, MailerLite, and Klaviyo make implementation easy. With AI, your email funnel becomes a long-term revenue engine. A profitable AI affiliate funnel works like a machine. Visitors land on your AI-optimized page, engage with your chatbot, join your email list, and receive automated sequences that guide them towards your affiliate link. AI tools track the entire user journey and show where people drop off, allowing you to improve headlines, CTAs, or emails. AI can also A/B test subject lines, landing page layouts, and product angles for maximum performance. Once your funnel is converting well, you can scale traffic through SEO, TikTok videos, YouTube reviews, Pinterest pins, or even low-cost ads. The beauty of an AI-powered funnel is that every part runs automatically. Your job becomes monitoring performance and letting automation systems generate recurring affiliate revenue on autopilot.